Fancy a trip to Tesco? Check out the plants. Go on then. So like always guys, I'm going to show you every single plant, every single price, and I'll also give you a bit of a care guide with it as well. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So we'll start right here at the front with these dahlias. Now these make a beautiful cut flower, but they don't make it through winter. You're gonna have to dig them up and dry the actual tuber out. It sounds a little bit more tricky than it actually is, but they make a beautiful cut flower. If we get a late frost here, it'll just simply take off the tops. It won't actually kill the plant. Now these osteospermums, these actually can come back every year depending on where you are in the UK and where you plant them in your garden, but I buy them as an annual as I've never managed to get mine through winter. And then we've got some annual daisies just there. So moving on then, we've got some busy lizzies. I actually really love these. They're on an offer for £10, which I feel are a pretty decent price, and these will get like a huge ball shape, and they're just a summer bedding plant, so when the frosts come at the end of the season, then that will be that, if that makes sense. So sticking with the summer bedding only then, so these are French marigolds. Now you can actually eat the flowers of these, would you believe? But again, if we just have a late frost, just bear that in mind. You will have to sort of chuck some fleece over them, so it's just worth checking the weather. And the same for these busy lizzies here, £3.50. I feel like they're not too bad of a price. They're actually absolutely loaded with buds, and these can go in the ground, in pots, planters. They're very, very versatile. And then we've got some trailing lobelia just here. Again, more of a hanging basket plant compared to the bush variety that can go into beds and borders. So this little pretty flower is called a Bidens for £4 for 4 plants. I don't feel like it's too bad. Again, it's an annual plant, so it's just going to last the summer, but it sort of bushes out lovely in a bed. And then these lovely things are called night sky Sophinias. Now these are perfect for hanging baskets, but you can plant them in the ground and they'll sort of meander through different plants as well. I think this variety was brought out in 2016. Absolutely beautiful speckled flower. And then we've got some what we call million bells just here. These are like a mini Sophinia petunia, so perfect for hanging baskets. But again, this is an annual plant, so this is just something you'll buy for the summer, and that will be it. Same for these fuchsias. I don't feel they're too bad of a price. Now, one thing it is worth mentioning is these actually prefer more of a shadier spot, and they don't like to be too dry. So these bougainvilleas are absolutely beautiful. As you can see, they've been looked after very well by Tesco, either that or they've only just come in. But for £8, I feel like it's a decent plant for the size of it. These again will flower all summer. Class it as an annual unless you're going to bring it inside and put it in a light windowsill over the winter, protecting it from frosts. These are hostas. I absolutely love these for £4, and they're a pretty good deal. They're a decent sized plant for what they are. The slugs do tend to really enjoy eating these, but these come back year after year. They're really quite a great price for the size of those plants. As you'll see, hostas everywhere at the moment. We've got some salvias just here, so these are a perennial plant. These will come back year after year. They fit almost any style garden, but particularly a cottage style garden. My only gripe with Tesco is plants seem to be everywhere. There's no structure to it, so it's I'm a little bit backwards and forwards with it. These beautiful things are campanulas. Now these will come back every single year, and they're a creeping variety of plants, so it means that they'll look lovely in the rockery. Same for these dianthus. These are actually classed as a semi-evergreen, so they will come back in your garden, and they flower their socks off all spring long, from early spring to late spring. So moving on to some more bedders then. So we've got some more French marigolds for £4. I think I mentioned earlier, you can eat the flowers on them. They just taste quite bitter, but you can garnish salads and things like that with them. Then we've got some more lobelia, so we've got some mixed varieties. This is the bush variety. You can tell the difference between the two because they're slightly sort of compact compared to the trailing variety. But again, once the frosts are here, then these are done. We've got some geraniums, also known as pelargoniums. And again, these love it dry, so they love a sunny position in the garden, but once the frosts are here, these are done as well. And then impassions, which we've already spoke about, these are in the 6-pack trays. Very healthy, full of bud. You just need to protect these guys from frosts, because we're still having 1 or 2 at the moment here in Staffordshire. So we've got some 4-packs of fuchsias for £4. I feel like it's a pretty decent price individually. They used to be £1.50 even sort of 15 years ago. And then we've got Biden's there as well, which we've already discussed, being just an annual. And then we've got lots more fuchsias just there. So moving on to the hanging baskets, these are 2 for $10. Now these just need a good deadhead. This is pansy and viola. If you hang on for maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, you'll start seeing the summer bedding in the actual hanging baskets. And then we've got some really lovely hanging baskets for £6 with chilies, and they've also got the trailing variety of tomatoes in stock as well. I feel for £6 these are a pretty decent price. Again, just watch the late frost. They can go out now, but you just need to keep an eye on that weather. I can't stress that enough when it comes to these sort of annual plants, because these will have been grown somewhere lovely and warm, and Tesco will be taking these in and out every night, so they're not going to have any kind of cold on them, so just bear that in mind. So Sophinia petunias, these are absolutely lovely. These are a brilliant hanging basket plant, and they'll spread over or cascade over lovely, should I say. And then more geraniums there for £3.50. So we've got some more million bells. These are a better example of what they are. So there's like a small Sophinia. I absolutely love these, and to be fair, you can plant these in the ground, but they'll just sort of spread and meander through. Then we've got some ceanothus. I'm trying not to handle them too much to knock the flowers off them, for £7. This is a repens, meaning it's a creeping variety. So we've got some lovely heathers. So these are an evergreen interest. They grow up to around 3 feet to 4 feet, depending on the varieties. And for £7, I feel like it's a good addition to the garden. It'll give you some winter colour, and they're fully hardy, so there's no actual worries there. So as you can see there, we've got more pepper hanging baskets, and then we've got the tomato hanging baskets for the same price at £6. Now this variety will be a tumbler, so it'll mean it'll cascade over that hanging basket. Lovely. Then we've got some strawberry plants as well for £3, and they're in a 4-pack, and they are very healthy. One thing's worth mentioning, all these plants are in great condition on delivery day. I can't speak for tomorrow, but as of today, these plants, as you can see, look great. Moving inside then, we've got some lovely Phoenix palms. So these are Phoenix canariensis for £12. You will need to give these some winter protection if you want to keep them over winter. And then we've got some standard rhododendrons there for £20. And they're full of bud, so they'll give you a really good display. Then moving on, we've got some Xantidecia, also known as the calla lily. Now, this is actually hardy, so it can go outside. You just got to watch the late frost because it'll take the flowers off. But you can plant it out, and I've got one in my garden here in Staffordshire that comes back each year. And then we've got some really lovely Acer plants. Now for just £4, these are really worth a gamble. Yes, they're not the grafted variety, but they'll still do very well in your garden. Then we've got some more hostas, different variety. These are the variegated one for just £4. Again, this will come back year after year. It'll actually a clump forming plant, so it will get bigger and bigger to the point where you may have to even split it. And then finally, we've got some Red Star cordylines. These are only sort of hardy down to around -6, so just bear that in mind this winter. There we have it, really short one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out, and drop a comment down below as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Till tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.